Do you want to change cover photo on X account? You can change cover on Twitter with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To change the cover photo on your X account. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you are on X, tap on your profile icon or picture located at the top left corner of the screen to open the side menu. From the menu, tap on your profile name to open your profile page. Now, tap on the Edit Profile button on your profile screen. Your profile editing options will appear. Tap on the cover photo area at the top. A menu will appear with options to take a new photo or choose an existing one. Tap Take Photo to capture a new cover image using your camera, or tap Choose Existing Photo to select one from your device gallery. After selecting the image, adjust and crop it to fit the cover area. Once you are satisfied with the position, tap Apply button. Finally, tap on Save at the top right corner of the screen to update your cover photo. Once done, your new cover photo will appear at the top of your X profile,